This is a tutorial for connecting your Promethean products.
So in your bag, you may get or you will get a cord, the VGA cord with the audio aux cable there. This is the data cable for the computer signal to the Promethean board. Your remote, 2 pens. You may get 2 the same color or 2 different colors, and that is it. To set up your board, find your connection in your room. Usually it's on either side of the board. Okay. We're first going to connect. There you go. Can you get those caps off for me there? Thank you very much. Okay, and that one too. With this VGA cable, one side has a long audio cable. One side has a shorter audio cable. The shorter end will go into there. It will work both ways, but it's just for convenience and so you can use it on your computer there. Why don't you hold that for me? There you go. All right. So this goes into here, the top one. Secure it. You can turn the screws to the right. Secure it. Give a little wiggle test. Okay, and you connect your audio cable. Then this VGA will go into the side of your computer. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Okay. You know something is good happen when your screen flashes black, or maybe it might even become a square. Okay. So Leticia's go ahead and log in for me. Go ahead and log into your computer. Okay. While she's doing that, I'm going to connect the data cable. So you have your 2 ends. This USB end will go into your computer. Go ahead and plug that in. Okay. And the phone end, phone jack looking end, will go in below the VGA cable, which is here. Okay. Usually takes a couple tries. Okay. Let's see here. Sometimes you're a little finicky. They always like to go in a little exact same spot. Let's see here. Okay. You may hear a thump-thump noise. That means that it's connected. To check if it's connected, okay, you're going to click here in this up arrow. And you're going to look for an icon like this. Right now this is showing an X, which means it's not connected. Which means you should probably try another USB port. So let's try another one. Okay, these ones have little S's on them, which means it's a better, what's it called, a USB plus, which has more power supply. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it makes that noise again.
In this case, the board showed a red indication light, meaning it was missing a connection.
Color, it's red, means it has power, but it's not functioning just yet.
If a red light or no light persists after checking your connections, please contact your technology liaison.
So when it's connected here correctly and connected into here into a high-speed USB, your light on the board will turn a whitish bluish color. Okay, you can go ahead and turn on the visual signal from the VGA, or just turn on the board with the remote. Hold it once, and your board will turn green. It may take a moment for this to start up. You will open up Active Inspire, which is this program here in the corner or somewhere on your desktop. If you can't find your desktop, click on Start and type in the word Active Inspire. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, to test your pens to make sure if they work or not, you can simply just hold it next to your board, and if this light turns from white to blue, that means that the sensor in this pen is working. So it looks like our pen is working. Okay. If we write on it now, my cursor and my pen are not aligned. Okay. If you put your pen to the board, your cursor may not even show up because it's not aligned correctly. So we're going to adjust it, but we can check our pen by making sure going here. So to calibrate your board, going to click here on this up arrow, click on this little white icon. Then calibration, you can do a 5 or 25 if you really want to be precise, but 5 is precise enough. Okay. Now she's going to tap with her pen. Good. All the way around the board. Follow the directions. There in the bottom right there. Bottom left. And the last one there in the middle. Good. So now she can select a pen and start drawing. And check your board. Make sure that it's turned on. This is for the speakers. Next, we're going to make sure the sound is working correctly. So first, always check to make sure that your audio cable is connected. Okay, snug inside. And your audio cable from this goes around to your computer and to the audio jack.
A common mistake is putting the aux cable into the microphone jack, which is located there, but you want to make sure to put it in your headphone jack, which is here.
Okay. So make sure it's connected. And a good way to test your sound without playing music or anything, just to click here on the speaker icon and adjust the volume. And each time you adjust it, it will make a pinging noise. So you can go up and down and adjust it there. You can also adjust it on the board here. On the side, let me turn my flash on here. On the side here, we have volume up and down and other audio signals you can change. Don't mess with anything here. Set it and forget it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how the microphone works. Okay, so you'll get the microphone. This is the charger cable. It comes with 2 charger ends. Okay, red means it's charging. If it's not working, like in the case of this one, when you plug in this one, it doesn't charge for whatever reason. So make sure you just try and switching the cables. Okay, so let it charge for a little bit. The batteries in here are 6 years old and may not work anymore, but simply AA battery. If you put your own AA battery, you can put a rechargeable one in, but if you don't put a rechargeable in, do not plug this in. If you put a regular AA battery, do not plug this in ever. Okay, but this is a rechargeable battery, so I'm going to leave it plugged in. Okay, the system down here, in case someone wants to follow me down here, this is the controls for the speaker. It is different from the board. Okay, to turn it on, make sure you have the power cable plugged in. A lot of classrooms are missing this cable. If you're missing this cable, it's nowhere to be found. Looks like this. If it's nowhere to be found, please find me or Jennifer will find one for you. Okay, so to turn it on, it's this command here, this little power switch. Okay, you can go just leave it on. Okay, go back to your microphone. Power buttons here. You can unplug it so it's a wireless mic. To mute, unmute, volume up and down, and you can wear it around your neck so you can hear a loud volume around. If you get a lot of feedback and it's very, very loud, you can change the volume using this knob here. So make it louder, 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 or quieter, quieter, quieter. And that's how you use the system here.
If you have any questions, please contact your technology liaison. Cabrillo Productions.